Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Renegade oil light. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in the park position. Next, turn your ignition to the on/RUN mode. If you have a push-button start, simply press the button 2 times without pressing the brake pedal. This powers up your dashboard without starting the engine, which is essential for the next steps. Now, with the ignition in the on/RUN position, locate your accelerator pedal. You'll need to fully depress this pedal to the floor, slowly, 3 separate times. It's crucial to complete all 3 presses within a 10-second window. Make sure each press goes all the way down and then releases before the next press. This specific sequence tells your Jeep system to prepare for the reset. Once you've completed the 3 accelerator pedal presses, the next step is to turn your ignition completely off. This is a vital part of the process, as it allows the vehicle's computer system to register the reset command you just performed. Make sure the ignition is fully cycled to the OFF or lock position before you do anything else. This finalizes the input for the oil light reset. Finally, it's time to verify your work. Start your Jeep Renegade as you normally would and observe the dashboard display. The oil change required message should now be gone, indicating a successful reset. If for any reason the light persists, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire process from the first step, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely. You'll get it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.